Hi everyone, so welcome back to another YouTube video this week. Today we are featuring the Mk2 RS on the channel for once and finally. Everyone has been messaging where we're up to with it. We are still a bit to go with it, but today we are featuring the engine mount. So we're going to be fitting the new Powerflex one, the purple one. I'll show you what we've got. So this is the one we've got, and the purple one is the fast road use, especially for Reese. He's looking at me now like, oh, that was horrible. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna be fitting this today. We're not gonna be able to do an actual review of it because we're in lockdown and I don't want to get the comments for the non-essential travel, even though we could just be going to the spa. But no, we're going to do the actual review of it after we're out of lockdown. Hopefully it's not too long away, and then we can do a little review and yeah, let's see how it holds up. So that is what we're going to fit today. We've got all the fixtures and fittings in here. It does come apart, but you just stuck the rubbers in, didn't you? You just pushed them together. So the two purple rubbers, just squeeze them in. And if you've not got the how do I put this nicely? The muscle, just stand on it. So we're over now, and shall I get your fishing things put on the floor? So Reese has taken his standard one off. I'm just going to go into there now and we're going to fit the new one. The standard one looks like this, so you'll be able to see it in the corner. So we're going to go under, briefly know what to do, so hopefully it should be a good fitting video for you all. I've been warned if I cross anything I'm dead, so he has warned me, haven't you, Reese? So just double check this is right first before I do anything, and then we're going to go under. Okay, so this is the area of the car that you want to be under, ideally. And then we're just going to fit it just in the hole waiting for it. So you can obviously feel, oh, that feels minging. And then you should be able to put this through the middle. Yeah, hopefully it should fit perfectly fine. We'll see. I'm probably gonna have problems, but he's gonna have that bolt. Right, so I'm gonna fit this through the top bolt in gently into the hole. Right, so there it is. We're just gonna put it in. Just enough so I can still wiggle things about. And then we've got the next one that goes into this hole here. Yeah. So we put that through. This seems to be easier to put in. So hopefully. Right, and we're just going to put that in gently as well. Louie's just playing outside, so you can imagine first time in the sun. I'm going to put this one through here just so it sticks.
So I got threads, yeah?
Yeah, that's definitely
right.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty much.
Yep.
Yeah. And then
you go. Really?
Oh god, I'm actually pushing an engine here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, okay. I need to have this at the ready, don't I? It might be a two-person job, this bit, Reese.
No.
Well, for a girl that weighs like 8 stone.
Do you want me to do it?
I think you need to push the engine.
Do you want me to do it?
No, because I want to do it.
Oh.
I can't hold this up. Might just put this thread in a bit tighter. Right, so I've just stopped midway through just because the last bolt I can't get in because I can't feel it. Well, I'm not able to push the engine to like get it in perfect into the circle. So Reese going to it now for me. Yeah, so you can get it. So Reese managed to get it in, and he's just tightening it all up now. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you the overview of it in a second once Reese just finished tightening them all in. He didn't want me to do it in case I threaded them all off. Right, so I'm going to show you where to find it. Right in the middle of the car. There it is. So that is what we've ended up, that's the last little look of it. So you've got your two top bolts there that have got to be fitted in, this one here and that one there. And you've got your main one here, which is holding the whole engine basically in, and this little one here. Saying the little ones, they are big and quite, well, they're the main bolts I think. So there you have it guys, that's the Powerflex one in, and we're going to, once obviously lockdown is over, this is like the part one of it, is the fitting video, we will do an actual review of it, but we're just going to obviously have to wait until lockdown's over, because we don't really want to get risk, we don't want to risk anything actually, it's just not worth it, is it? And we don't want the corona. So we're going to leave it here today guys. The rest of the channel is probably going to be filled with Mark 6 content up until after lockdown, when Reese's car hopefully should be going in for everything that he's bought for it, and then it should be an animal, but we don't know yet, do we? Oh, he just wants his car back on the road. Do you want me to bring all his tools out?
No.
No. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here guys. So keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing, and we'll see you all very soon.